You're welcome to this video. In today's lesson, we're going to construct the development of the pipe given unto us. We're given a 3P cylindrical pipe of diameter 50 millimeter. So we'll start by drawing the same view that we're given. So with this, we construct this side with the required dimensions that were given. So after bringing these sides out, then we'll start the development of the pipe Q. So at this point, we're bringing out the required distance from the base at P. See that the horizontal distance there is 50 millimeters. Then all the other distances. Now we have the 3 pipes given out in this way, the pipe PQR. So the development of the pipe Q is what is required. So at this point, we get the midpoint of the base at P. So we draw a semicircle. Now these divisions can be done beyond this point. It's because of the space, no much space there. That's why I had to draw it close to the pipe P. It's supposed to be way below the pipe there. So after the division into 12 equal parts, then we extend the line to touch the edge of the 2 pipes. That's the pipe P and the pipe Q. But the main pipe that will need the development is the pipe Q. So we project the line to pass through the pipe P. So after getting to the edge of pipe Q, we get the perpendicular distance. So that will radiate the lines at 60 degrees to the plane, horizontal plane of the pipe Q. So after getting this point, we'll now start our lines drawn. So at this point, we'll get the perpendicular distance, that's the 90 degrees to this perpendicular line. So we now have these lines. So in case we not get it, this other side will draw it gradually till we get the whole lines drawn out. So we project the lines. That's where it is from the pipe P through into the pipe Q. We'll now get the division of the circle. Now pick one of the division of the 12 parts. Then we'll bring it, get the markings on this straight line. So get our 12 mark division. So we'll divide this whole line into 12 equal parts. Then we'll get the perpendicular lines. So from these perpendicular lines where they meet the projected lines, that's where we'll get our point, the required point where the lines they meet. So after getting this point, we'll start from the 0 point. So we now have our 12 marks. So starting from this point where it is 0, we'll trace the path in which it goes to meet the other one here. So we'll get that point, then we'll mark it, then we'll repeat the same for 1, 2, 3 up to 12. Then after doing that, we move on this way, getting up to the 12th position. Then we'll repeat the same process starting from the 0 point for the upper part of the pipe. So get the required position for each of them as they meet the respective point. So now we connect each of these points with the required instrument so that we'll get the required curve, which will produce the development of the pipe Q along the seam KK. Connect this and this point and this and this and this. Now get to the last point, then we draw this vertical line, this straight line here, we connect them, and here we have our development. Thank you for watching this video.